ran into a lot of these out here. It's about, God, it's got to be about 30 feet tall. A tree that went over. I'll give you a pretty good idea how tall this is. You can tell by, it's pretty big. Big root. So it came down here. I think might have been some hunters out here. I see a lot of their stuff. Probably put a tarp over this to camp for the night and hunt. I guess it would make a pretty good shelter. Alright, I'm going to turn on our GPS and find our way through this dense forest. I'm not really sure where the hell I'm going in any part of this place. I'm very new. It's a rougher forest. Another one. Down where I was is a pretty rough forest, but I came to know it really well, so I didn't really mind. Yeah, it's a big tree. Anyway, there's no trails here, so I'm just going to be making my way on wherever I can. This looks like a creek. I did see this on the map. So there's another down tree. I see a lot of these here. This one's got a lot of sand. There's this pretty sandy area. A lot of mushrooms pop up under these trees as soon as I can. They make some pretty good picture opportunities, I say. Yeah, this forest is a little rougher than the other ones. It's different. A lot more mushrooms out here. I'm seeing a lot of the same plants, mostly. I haven't found anything new. A lot of sarsaparilla trees, and I'll get some pictures of them. Their leaves turn bright red in the fall. Really pretty. Anyway, I'm going to take some pictures here. Hope you guys enjoy.